Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Pridi Nandrian. Here I would like to tell my story about holiday. Exactly in the last year of 2022, on November, I went to the Bali with my friends. That is the first time for me and also my friends. Actually, we have planned to visit Bali since August 2022, but we can go there on November 2022. We will stay in Bali for 4 days and we need 12 hours for come to Bali. I was excited and happy because Bali is very wonderful island and we spent the night in the Grand Bali Park Hotel for 4 days. After arriving in Bali, we directly went to the hotel. We take a rest first because 12 hours is so long for us. Then we take a nap for 2 hours. After 2 hours we take a nap, we continue our activity to went to the first destination. The first destination in Tanah Lot. Tanah Lot is one of the beach in Bali. When I arrived in Tanah Lot, the view is very beautiful and I meet with many foreigners from another country because Bali is very wonderful island in Indonesia. I was happy and enjoy there. Also, I ever talk with some of foreigners from the country. Those are is from UK, USA, Canada, and also the last is India. But the long talk I talk with Indian people. Indian people is very humble and friendly person. I think is probably 40 minutes to talk with people from India and they share their experience, they share their information and others. And I was happy and I said thank you very much for their times to me. And if we talk with people from other country can improving our speaking in English and also we can be confident person, brave person, we are not be shy person again. After in Tanah Lot, I went to the one of market in Bali. The name is Krishna. In Krishna, the product is very cheap, and I bought some of souvenir for my family in my house. And after from Krishna, we went back in our hotels, Grand Bali Park hotels. Then we take rest. Then in the morning we continue our destination. But the first destination we went to Pandawa Beach. I think in Pandawa Beach we went there for 2 hours. Then we continue again in the second destination in Kuta Beach. In Kuta Beach, there are many tourists too with same with Pandawa Beach and also Tanah Lot. There are many tourists like doing many activities like taking photo each other, surfing and play together. In every destination, I always talk with some of foreigners from their country, such as I talk with Thomas from Brazil. He was kind, and also I share my social media, and still right now we still talking and we like share our information about his country and also about my country. And he said to me that we will come to Indonesia again on the last year of 2024. It means in this year, but I don't know when exactly the month. I was happy there because like we can talk with each other with people from our country. In the second day, we only visited two destinations. The are is Pandawa Beach and also Kuta Beach. Then continue again in the third day, we visited Melasti Beach and also Sangeh Monkey Forest. In Sangeh Monkey Forest, there are many kind of monkey, and I can meet with Eric from America, from USA. He was kind also, he was humble because how can I meet with Eric because there is some of monkey disturb me. Then Eric come to me, help me to ignore from monkey. Then we talk each other. Then we like I also ask the social media from Eric. Then he was gave me the social media. Then still right now we still talking to us like Thomas from Brazil because I like to talk with people from other country, people from abroad. Then after Isange Monkey Forest, we went back again in our hotels. Then in the last day, in the fourth day, we visited Bedugul. Bedugul is very beautiful place there, and also I met with some of foreigners too from Canada. I don't know why I like to talk with people from another country because Like I wanna improving more. I wanna enhance my knowledge about English. And in Bali, it's so many foreigners we can meet with the tourists in the street, in the market, in cafe, in restaurant, and in other places. Like I also ever talk with some of foreigners that they ever say to me that Bali is very wonderful, is very best island in this world, and also the people is very humble and friendly person, because Indonesian people very famous about the humble, about the behavior. Also, we must keep our behavior when we talk with people from another country. We must polite and don't ask about age and also religions, because that is so privacy for there. After from Bali, finally I come back to my house. Then I give my souvenirs for my parents, also for my siblings. Name is Ardana. Then like I told them that Bali is very wonderful island. Then but if I have the opportunity again, I will visit it there. And after from Bali, in 2023, in the first year on March, I went to the Jakarta. That is the third time for me to visit Jakarta. Then I visit Monas and also some of mall in Jakarta, and also I met with Adam from Canada, and he was kind of like still right now we are still talking. I don't know why I like talk with people from the country, like I said to you in the first time. And Adam Adam ever said to me that he ever visited 50 countries in this world. Oh my god, I was surprised. How cool it be? I want to be like Adam, but if I have money, if I have achieved my dream, if I have achieved my goals later, probably I will visit some of countries in this world, because that is one of my dream in my life. And from Jakarta, like we always around, and I talk with some of friends in my contact. Then I visited my friend's house. You know, in Jakarta is very hot. I don't know, like the weather is not like in Java Island. It's so different, but I also like in my hometown, because my hometown is my best life, I think. After visited some of tourism place in Bali, I also visited Turtle Island. In Turtle Island, we not only saw the turtle, but we can also saw many kind of animal, such as elephant, birds, and others. In Turtle Island, we can saw also the big turtle. But I don't know how many centimeters about the size. But like I ever to touch the turtle, then but before that we must give permission to guide first. I wanna give you advice. If you will go to Bali, you must talk with people from other country, because that is can improving your skill in English, then be a confident person for you. And also I will give you advice again. Don't be shy person, because is very necessary for you to upgrading your quality in English. I think that's all for me. Thank you very much for your nice attention. Bye bye and see you next time.